In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Slack user ID. This is the unique identifier tied to your Slack account, and it's often required when you're setting up integrations, automations, or support requests. It's not your display name and not your email. It's a short code that Slack uses behind the scenes to identify you precisely across a workspace. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Slack into the search bar and click the official Slack website. If you're already signed in, Slack will open right to your workspace. If you see a sign-in prompt, go ahead and log in as you normally do. These steps work the same in the Slack desktop app and the web version, but I'll demonstrate using the browser so it's easy to follow along. Once Slack is open, look toward the lower left corner of the interface. You should see your profile avatar or your name there. Click that area to open your account options. In the small panel that appears, choose Profile to bring up your full profile view. This is where Slack centralizes your basic info, like your name, title, and contact details visible to your team. With your profile open, look for the three dots, sometimes labeled More, on the right side of the profile pane. Click those three dots to open the Additional Actions menu. In that menu, select Copy Member ID. The moment you click it, Slack copies your user ID to your clipboard. You won't see a big pop-up, but you can confirm it worked by pasting into a note or message draft. You'll see a short string of letters and numbers. That's your Slack user ID. That's all there is to it. Click your profile in the lower left, open profile, use the three dots, and choose Copy Member ID. A couple of quick tips in case something looks different on your screen. If you can't see your profile area, your sidebar might be collapsed. Expand it to reveal your avatar and workspace details. If you belong to multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before copying, since user IDs are unique per workspace. And if the menu wording varies slightly, look for the option that explicitly says Copy Member ID. Keep your user ID handy for tools and automations, but remember it isn't a password or secret, it's simply an identifier. Paste it where it's requested, save it in a secure note for future reference, and you're done. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to find your Slack user ID quickly and confidently.